Use target automation in strategic portfolio management to automate the actual value of your targets against the planned target values of your key result records. This feature enables actuals automation of targets by configuring a source for the target. Abel is a portfolio manager and needs to regularly update his targets for his organization's financial goals. His goal is to achieve a revenue of $120,000 this fiscal year and track this target on a quarterly basis. He can use target automation to automate this process for him. Abel navigates to Portfolio Planning in Strategic Planning Workspace and selects a portfolio plan. The portfolio plan details page opens, and he can view the plan's goals, scoring, and planning. He selects the Goals and Targets tab to view existing goals and targets for the plan. Other details are included on the page, like status, start value, final target, actuals totals, progress, and owner. Abel can view planned target amounts for each quarter by scrolling to the left. He selects more options to add a new target to the goal. Targets are a quantifiable measure towards the achievement of a goal. The target dialog box opens, and Abel enters the new target's details for achieving $120,000 in revenue this fiscal year and tracking them on a quarterly basis. The new target is added to the goal. Abel wants to add the actual amount to the target for the first quarter of this year. He could add this number manually by selecting the actual field, but he'll automate it instead and use benefit plans as the target source. The benefit plan's target source is provided out of the box and is based on custom script. It uses actual benefit values of the benefit plans that are associated to the target's planning items. Abel selects the new target and navigates to the Details tab, then selects Full Details. Under Target Automation, he selects the Automate Actual Value checkbox. The actual value source field appears, and he'll select Benefit Plan as the source, then saves the changes. After the benefit plan's automation is saved to the target, he can enter additional details like variables. Benefit plans appear in the variables drop-down list and are linked to the planning items that are aligned to the target or goal. Abel can check the planning items and the monetary benefit plans that are associated with them. Back on the Details page, he'll enter the specific benefit plans he wants to source from and saves the changes. On the Target Breakdowns tab, the updated actual values appear. The scheduled job runs every day and updates the target's actual values automatically when changes are detected in the actuals of the associated benefit plans. Abel can also manually select Update Actual Value to view the most recent actuals. Using target automations can help with ensuring that your target numbers and data are up to date and accurate, making your team and organization more efficient and on track. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.